If your Whirlpool washer machine filter hasn't been cleaned in a while, it might be causing some common issues like poor drainage, bad odors, or even unexpected error codes. This filter plays a crucial role in catching lint, small objects, and debris that come off your clothes, preventing them from clogging the washer's drainage system. Luckily, cleaning it is usually a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, locate the natural Whirlpool washer machine filter, which is typically found at the bottom front of the machine, often behind a small access panel. If you have trouble finding it, check your owner's manual, as placement can vary depending on your specific model. Before opening the panel, make sure to place a shallow container or some towels beneath it, as there might be water buildup that will spill out. Once you're ready, open the panel gently and unscrew the filter cap to access any trapped debris. As you pull out the Whirlpool washer machine filter, you'll likely see lint, small items like coins or hairpins, and other residue that can accumulate over time. Carefully remove any visible debris, wiping away lint or fabric scraps with a cloth. Rinse the filter under warm water to ensure it's completely clean. If there's tough residue, a soft brush can help scrub away buildup without damaging the filter. Once the filter looks clear, you're ready to put it back in place. Simply screw it back into its original position and close the access panel. By keeping your Whirlpool washer machine filter clean, you'll notice an improvement in your washer's performance. Regular cleaning every couple of months can prevent blockages that lead to drainage issues, which can strain the pump and cause unpleasant smells inside the machine. If you experience slow drainage, even after cleaning the filter, there might be a blockage deeper in the system or a problem with the pump. In this case, it's best to call a technician who can safely assess and fix the issue. Regular maintenance of your Whirlpool washer machine filter can make a big difference in prolonging the life of your machine. Preventing clogs will ensure efficient water flow, and you'll avoid unnecessary wear on the washer. Just remember to check the filter regularly as part of your laundry routine, and your Whirlpool washer will continue running smoothly for years to come.